Good morning, student. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Aki. There is a question: on a particular day, you sold 1800 bags of oranges and 2500 bags of grapes. What is the profit or loss? So, this is profit on orange. What is given? Profit rupees 66 per bag orange sold, and loss 44 per bag of grapes. So it is given. So means one bag 66 rupees profit of orange. So total bags, how many bags of oranges? 1800. So here you make oranges, here you make grapes. Okay, so profit 66 rupees, total bag oranges 1800, grapes. So how many grapes? Grapes bag 20, total bag 2500, and loss 44. One bag loss 44 to 2500 bags total loss. So it will be loss, it will be profit. It is like this, it is given like this. Okay, so if you multiply both, it has to be multiplied by this, it has to be multiplied by this. So we will multiply, so 00 like this, 8 this, 18 चक्का 108, 118,800, 1,18,800, 1,18,800. So 1,18,800 rupees profit on this, और this is 25 चक्को 100, 1,10,000, 1,10,000. So this is the loss. So total is oranges and total on grapes is this. So 1800 bags of oranges will have a profit of 1,18,800, and 2500 bags of grapes will have 1,10,000 of loss. So net will be this minus this. So what will be net? Net will be net profit or loss minus equal to itna, how much? 8,000 rupees. 1,18,800 minus 1,10,000. So 8,800 rupees. 8,800 rupees will be total overall profit. There will be total profit of 8,800 rupees profit will be there. So this is the part 1, and part 2 will do how to do this is like what is the number of bags. It is saying number of bags of orange to be sold to have neither profit nor loss. Neither profit nor loss, neither profit nor loss means या तो profit भी ना हो, loss भी ना हो. It is known as break even point. This is known as break even, or so break even निकालना, nor loss neither profit. Second part, the number of grapes bags sold in 900 bags. So what is the number of orange bag to be sold? So जिससे loss भी ना हो और profit भी ना हो. So हमें we have to find out the bags of orange. Let bags of orange be bags of orange equal to x. There are x bag. So what is the profit on orange? Profit on orange is 66 per bag. 66 into x, 66x. Okay, so loss from grapes is, what is the loss from grapes? Loss from grapes equal to 44 rupees per bag tha loss. It was the 44 rupees, and how many bags were there? Now the 900 bags is there. So 9 चौको 36, 36 3 39, 39,600 bags. ये लॉस है, सॉरी बैग्स नहीं, दिस इज द लॉस. लॉस फ्रॉम ग्रेप्स इक्वल टू 39,600. सो फॉर नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस, it has to be equal, both has to be kept equal, means profit equal to loss, profit equal to loss means profit. If it is no profit no loss, तो profit equal to loss होगा. सिंपल सी सीन. 66,000 equal to 39,600, तो x equal to 39,600 upon 66. So you have to divide this term 39,600 upon 6 so 66 तो 600 बार कर गया 66 इंटू 6 so 600 so this will be the 600 so x का वैल्यू 600 bags of orange तो bag x का वैल्यू 600 so there will be total what is the number of bags of orange that will be the 600 this is the answer this is one of the beautiful question of profit and loss do like subscribe and share the channel thank you very much thank you